This week I'm testing the Audi S3 Sedan, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is the drive. The Audi S3 Sedan is fantastic. The steering's really light and intuitive, and the drive is nice and smooth. Visibility's great and the turning circle is good too. Number 2 is the ISOFIX in the Audi S3. It's a really nice plastic guide, and the lid just folds back into the mechanism and stays there so you don't lose them. Number 3 is the legroom and boot space in the Audi S3, making it really nice and practical for families. I have particularly loved driving the Audi S3 with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.